Imagine standing outside, feeling a gentle breeze, when suddenly, the entire planet stops moving. For 10 seconds, Earth's spin halts. Cars, oceans, and even the air keep racing eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. In those 10 seconds, everything changes. So, what if Earth really stopped spinning for just 10 seconds? Earth spins once every 24 hours. At the equator, that means a speed of about 1,600 kilometers per hour or 1,000 miles per hour. We don't notice it because everything, land, oceans, atmosphere, is moving at the same speed. But if that motion stopped abruptly, the surface would halt while everything on it kept moving. It's inertia on a planetary scale, like being in a car that suddenly hits a wall, except the car is the Earth. At the equator, you, the air, and the oceans are all moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. When the ground stops, everything not anchored to bedrock keeps going. That means entire cities ripped apart, oceans forming mile-high tsunamis, the atmosphere surging eastward with winds faster than any hurricane. This would flatten most structures and scour continents clean. For those 10 seconds, the planet itself is paused. Gravity still works, but the centrifugal force that slightly counteracts gravity vanishes. People would feel slightly heavier. Oceans, freed from that outward push, would start sliding toward the poles, though in just 10 seconds, that shift barely begins. Still, weather systems instantly lose the Coriolis effect, meaning winds stop curving. Global air circulation starts collapsing. Even deep underground, the sudden stop triggers massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. After 10 seconds, the planet restarts at full speed. But now, the air and water are out of sync. Supersonic winds reverse direction, and the tsunamis that began moving east smash into land from the opposite side. By this point, coastlines are gone. Infrastructure is rubble. And even if you survived the initial blast, the aftershocks, fires, and climate collapse would last for years. The only regions with a chance of survival? Near the North and South Poles, because at those latitudes, Earth's surface barely moves as it spins. People there would still feel the shock, but not the 1,000-mile-per-hour winds. However, when oceans surge toward the poles, even those areas face flooding and freezing conditions. Humanity's survival odds? Slim. In reality, this can't happen naturally. It would take an unimaginable external force, like a collision with a Mars-sized object, to stop Earth's spin. And if something that massive hit us, we'd have bigger problems than 10 seconds of chaos. But thinking about it helps us appreciate the delicate balance that makes life possible. Rotation shapes weather, ocean currents, even Earth's magnetic field that shields us from solar radiation. If Earth somehow recovered and rotation resumed normally, the planet would still be scarred. Continents reshaped. Climate systems erased. Billions gone. Even the atmosphere might take years to stabilize. If rotation ever permanently stopped, one side of Earth would face eternal day, the other eternal night, making life impossible. So even a 10-second pause gives us a glimpse of just how fragile our world really is. So, what if Earth stopped spinning for 10 seconds? It would unleash destruction beyond anything humanity has ever faced. But it also reminds us how perfectly tuned our planet is. That gentle, invisible spin gives us day and night, weather, seasons, and a stable home in the universe. If you enjoyed this hypothetical journey, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What would you do if you knew Earth was about to stop spinning? Until next time, keep imagining, keep exploring. This is Hyposphere, signing off.